Oh.
Central Franklin County in northern New York, west central Essex County in northern New York, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles north of Newcomb, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Should wait a minute.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of south central Franklin and west central Essex counties, including the following locations: Mount Van Hovenberg Recreation Area, Mount Van Hovenberg, and Santa Cruz. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Essex, New York.
Meanwhile, it's still sunny out.
And now the hourly information.